Contemplation is a tool to improve performance. We all like to elevate our performance. And how can we do this? We can definitely do this by way of contemplation, by way of pondering. My name is Prabhakar Mendhe. I am performance coach. I like to highlight today the importance of contemplation. Contemplation is a thinking activity. We need to sit down at peaceful environment and we have to study ourselves. We have to study ourselves. We have to examine ourselves. In this process, we analyze our past, present and future. Most focus should be on the future and present rather than past. We can take the reference of our past instances, incidences, and we can definitely recover something else to redefine our future. So in contemplation, what one has to do? One has to be very consistent. On daily basis, it should be done. Very religiously, it should be done. The methodology of doing it very simple. As I already explained, we should have pen and pad, notebook to write certain points. The habit of contemplation is very powerful in personal development, personal transformation, improvement of our performance. So we should not neglect it because there are n number of benefits of this contemplation. It enables us to look at a specific pattern what we have developed over a period of time. Some patterns are not good, are not healthy, that can be diminished, and whatever good is there, that can be lifted up. So we see both positive and negative. Positive is to be promoted, negative is to be demoted. So in this act of examination, we see lot of things. It's actually invisible seeing in us. We are supposed to do so many things. We are supposed to bring out the results. We are supposed to meet our expectations. And for that reason, contemplation helps. The thing is that it should be always in writing because it gives us the power to reconnect again. We get access to our earlier contemplation. So that way we can take our life to the next level. And when we are very much concerned or we are very much hooked to our performance, then this single stand-alone habit can give us the most power to take our performance up. So, having this said, I urge everyone to please form this habit of daily contemplation. Before sleep or early in the morning, time you can choose. And time, please be specific how much time you are going to do that. And minutely, carefully, we have to sit and observe this activity so that we will take ourselves to the next level, our performance to the next level. I got lot of benefits out of this habit and I am very much consistent into it. And I see the backward, I see the forward, what is happening with me. And I am really pleased to promote this habit of contemplations to all the people who wanted to transform their lives, who wanted to make their difference in the lives, who likes to impact millions of people. I think this will give us lot of mileage. Thank you so much for watching this video.